Sophs here and welcome back to another makeup review of Kylie Cosmetics, the KOURT times Kylie bundle collection. Now, as you all know, for a while now I have been reviewing the green palette with the entire most of the bundle, and today the reason why I'm doing this a singular one because I'm getting really sick of reviewing the gloss Minnie with all the other shades. I'm actually deciding to do this as the very last one for this particular lip gloss, and I decided to do it in a singular one because I'm choosing tonight that I'm not gonna wear one not gonna wear the lippy is because I get really annoyed when I'm trying to drink something or I'm trying to eat something and all you see on either food or my face that completely messes it up. So that is why I'm not gonna wear it for tonight, but nothing wrong with actually reviewing it, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to put it on just to show you, and I'm going to put one on my hand and then on my lippy. So you can see it is a very nice shade, and now I'm just going to put it on my lips because I will have to wash it off anyway because I got to re-clean my one, re-clean my glasses, and two, I gotta rebrush my teeth just so it's nice and clean before we leave to go out for my mum and my aunt's birthday. And yes, they are twins. So I always go from the bottom and then I go to a top. So it's really easy. Let me just go this side so you can see. Even though I screwed that whole lip up. I'm just gonna take this off straight after. I'm not gonna put it close to my face, only because I already messed up the bottom lip, which is fine. So I want to show you as an example why it's actually a little bit hard to drink and how really hard it is to get it off sometimes. And I noticed when I was out yesterday, which technically was the 30th of May 2019, just so you know this is when I'm recording it, I find it really annoying trying to get makeup off, and I'll show you why. It is a good lipstick, well, lip gloss I should say, but this is what annoys me more. As you can see, it does leave a lot of remnants. Well, it actually leaves a stain, but mind you, this was released, I think it was released last year, and you can really see how hard it is just to get off the lip, even off of your hand, and this is how much you have to go hard. Now I am using baby wipes because I find with baby wipes it's actually better than trying to use, you know, those makeup wipes, because you have to really try. So I'm going to get it off with this as well, and I'm going to show you why I'm not going to wear it tonight. But if you want to try out the mini gloss, I think that it's still on Kylie Cosmetics, and I promise after when I edit this video, because I'm going to rewatch it before I link everything down in the description, I will link down the gloss or even the bundle. So just to get it pre-clean, so I'll show you why. Can you see what I mean, how it just leaves a massive stain. That is why I'm choosing not to wear this mini gloss. But I do recommend you actually getting it for yourself, you know. There's nothing wrong with the colour at all. I actually don't mind it. It's just a pain in the ass to get off. Yeah, that's a very nice look, mate. I can just see screenshots of that. But as you can see, it not only as you're cleaning it off, it does take off your under makeup too. So my BB cream, which is my foundation, which I use, which I'm gonna put it on after when I go clean my teeth after this. But not only that, but it takes off my setting powder as well. So if you're wearing no makeup, like setting powder and including the foundation or whatever you use, I would use that with no makeup on. And then it's more easier to get off, so you don't necessarily care if your makeup comes off. But I do recommend getting this shade. I think it's really cool, and if you really like the Kylie cosmetics, including the KOURT times Kylie collection, I think it's a really good collection so far. But that is it for this review. I hope you guys find why I don't wear a lot of lip gloss or even sometimes the lip kits, because they can be a pain in the butt to really get off, especially when you have makeup on. It does not help. But that is all I'm going to tell you about this lip gloss. I do recommend just going to buy it and try it yourself. But anywho, thank you so much for joining me. Go down in the description below where you can check out all my social media links, website links, and including my YouTube series that I have posted over the years. Now, if you go to that annotation, depending on which way I put them, you can go see a recent upload and including the unboxing and reviews of makeup on your playlist annotation or wherever I put it. But thank you so much for joining me, and I'll catch you all for the next makeup review with sort of finishings off with the green palette. Okay, this is getting too long. Bye bye.